This makeover is part of a series where I gave 3 completely different sets of nightstands the same dramatic black finish. I tracked my costs, time spent, and then listed them all at the same price and waited to see which one would sell the quickest. Hi, I'm Lana, and together, let's make something beautiful, something made for you. As soon as I saw these, I snagged them, and they were damaged, but I was ready to take on the challenge. I needed to remove the hardware on the legs, but I was able to keep all of the handles and these super cool lock plates. Brass hardware shines up really nice with Barkeeper's Friend. For the hardware I could remove, I boiled it in vinegar and water first before I scrubbed it. The finish wasn't in great shape, so everything got sanded down. Then I taped it off and got ready to prime. Priming here using my favorite primer, Black Aqualock Primer, using a foam brush and a foam roller. On the tops, I used an Algonquin paint wash because I wanted to lighten the wood a little bit. After applying the wash with the foam brush, I just wiped it back with shop towels. After that, I painted the body. This is urethane trim enamel in Tricorn Black in a satin finish, something I use on all of my black pieces. It goes on really well with a brush and a microfiber roller, and I find I only need 2 coats, and honestly, no top coat. There were a couple of chips in the veneer on the sides of the tops that I'd had to fill. I'm using Blendal Sticks here. I've already gone in with a color that's similar in tone to the wood. Now I'm just adding a bit of dimension, lighter color, blending it in with my finger. I went in and covered off my wash and my repairs with Varathane. This is a diamond finish in satin. Takes 3 coats usually to get really nice solid coverage. Finally, the drawer liners. Love this pattern. It's a Burberry sort of style. And this is what they look like finished. Sleek, black, gorgeous two-tone, repurposed and ready for many more years of life. Stay tuned to find out which one is the winner. As each video is posted, I'll make sure to provide the link in the description. I was actually pretty surprised by the results. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like this one.